जय माँ भारती समाचार के ब्रह्मांड की भूत भविष्य वर्तमान की आई हार्टली वेलकम यू टू द PMA समाचार channel from the international world. Vatican City, a state surrounded by Rome. Italy is the headquarters of the Roman Catholic Church. It's home to the Pope and trove of iconic art and architecture. Its Vatican museums house ancient Roman sculptures such as the famed Lacon and his sons, as well as Renaissance frescoes in the raffle rooms and the Sistine Chapel, famous for Michelangelo ceiling. Vatican City is the world's smallest population country. Vatican City population is maximum 1,000. Country from eastern Ladakh. Indian Army will not remove. They clearly said to the Chinese. Britain doctor is way to open these schools. Sacraments in Corona. Sterlite Tech give freshers to job. Environment. Sakri is a census town and taluka in the Dhule district of the Nasik division, Maharashtra state, India. The town of Sakri is the administrative headquarters of Sakri taluka. Another Sakri is in Bihar, which is now a railway junction. The people there are mostly Hindu. The language most spoken in Sakri are Marathi and Ahirani. Invention. Electrocardiography is the process of producing an electrocardiogram. ECG or EKG. It is a graph of voltage versus time of electrical activity of the heart using electrodes placed on the scene. These electrodes detect the small electrical changes that are a consequence of cardiac muscles depolarization followed by repolarization. During each cardiac cycle, changes in the normal ECG pattern occur in numerous cardiac abnormalities including cardiac rhythm disturbance, ending with coronary artery blood flow as myocardial ischemia and myocardial and electrolyte disturbances. Great person Jhalkari Bai was born on 22nd November 1830. She was a Burmese soldier who played an important role in the Indian Rebellion of 1857. She served in the Women's Army of Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi. She eventually rose to a position of a prominent advisor to the Queen Rani of Jhansi herself. At the height of siege of Jhansi, she disguised herself as the queen and fought on her behalf on the front, allowing the queen to escape safely out of the fort. The legend of Jhalkari Bai remains in the popular memory of the people Bundelkhand over centuries. Freedom fighter of Punjab Lala Lajpat Rai was born on 28th January 1865. He was an Indian freedom fighter. He played a pivotal role in the Indian independence movement. He was popularly known as Punjab Kesari. He was one of the three Lal Bal Pal triumvirate. He was also associated with activities of Punjab National Bank and Lakshmi Insurance Company in the early stages in 1894. Crops. Cordial dichostoma is a species of flowering tree in the borage family Boragacea that is native to the Indo-Malayan realm, northern Australia and western Melanesia. Common names include fragrant mandrake, snotty gothas, blueberry, almond, pink pearl, booch, Indian cherry, etc. Flowers. Lagestodima, Specio, Queen's grape, myrtle, pride of India is a species of Lagestodima native to tropical southern Asia. Yog, Bakasana and the similar Kakasana Kropos are balancing asanas in Hatha Yoga and modern yoga as exercise in all variations. These are arm balancing poses in which hands are planted on the floor since rest upon upward arms and feet lift up. The poses are often confused, but traditionally Kakasana has arms bent, Bakasana has the arms straight. Bakasana benefits stands arms, opens the groin, stretch and stretch the back towards the abdomen. terminal 1. Universe. The Ural Mountains, or simply the Urals, are a mountain range that runs approximately from north to south through western Russia from the coast of the Arctic Ocean to the river Ural in northwestern Kazakhstan. The mountain range forms part of the conventional boundary between the continents of Europe and Asia, which catch Iceland and the islands of Novaya Zelanda from a further continuation of the chain to the earth into the Arctic Ocean. The mountains lie within the Ural geographical region and significantly overlap with the Ural Federal District with the Ural Economic Region. Mathematics. In algebra, a quadratic equation is an equation that can be rearranged in standard form as where x represents an unknown and a, b and c represents known numbers where a equals to 0. If a equals to 0, then the equation is linear, not quadratic, as there is no term. Ayurveda. Aegidanthus aspera, safflower, is a species of plant in the family Amaranthaceae. It is distributed throughout the tropical world. It can be found in many places, growing as an introduced species and a common weed. It is an invasive species in some areas, including many Pacific Islands environments. Village town Jhumri Talaiya is a city in the Kodarma district of Jharkhand, India. It is situated in the Damodar Valley. Alternative English translators of the town include Jhumri Tilaiya and Jhumri Tilaiya. Today is Civil Flag Day in Liberia, National Waffle Day in United States, International Strange Music Day. 1662, the Act of Uniformity requires England to accept the Common Book of Prayer. 1816, the Treaty of St. Louis is signed in St. Louis, Missouri. 1815, the modern constitution of the Netherlands is signed. Weather news. Next 24 hours, there is possibility of rain and electric shocks. Today's temperature in Patna 28 degrees Celsius and in Delhi 29 degrees Celsius. Financial Action Task Force on Money Laundering FATF, also known by its French name Groupe d'Action Français, is an intergovernmental organization founded in 1989 on the initiative of the G7 to develop policies to combat money laundering. In 2001, its mandate was expanded to include terrorism financing. The objectives of FATF are to set standards and promote effective implementation of legal, regulatory and operational measures for combating money laundering, terrorist financing and other related threats to the integrity of the international financial system. FATF is a policy-making body that works to generate the necessary political will through about national legislative and regulatory reforms in these areas. Today, for that's all I take for tomorrow. Stay healthy, be happy. माँ भारती की जय.
ॐ द्यौः शान्तिरन्तरिक्ष गों शान्तिः पृथिवी शान्तिरापः शान्तिरोषधयः शान्तिः वनस्पतयः शान्तिर्विश्वे देवा शान्ति ब्रह्म शान्तिः सर्वगुं शान्ति शान्तिरेव शान्तिः सामा शान्तिरेधि. ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः.